All right, what's up, everybody? Brian and Ethan here. Ethan, say hello.
Hello.
All right, so we are going to be opening a booster box from the Rise of the Floodborn. You ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so this is our first booster box, and
First video.
And our first video. So let's see even what the best way to open this is. Oh, and we're ripping it, so I'm sure that's gonna not make some people very happy. But we've got the packs here, so we'll go ahead and we'll take them out. We're not sure about pack opening etiquette, so we'll get better, we promise. All right, so put that guy right there. And then we decided that I will do the first 12 and Ethan will do the next 12, right? Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna start with these guys right here. So let's see. We got Raya here on the front.
First pack, first box.
Yeah, you think it's gonna be good?
Yeah, started off with an Enchanted.
That would be pretty sweet. All right, so we're opening this guy up. All right, so we're gonna get rid of that. Let's see, so Ray, Nothing to Hide, Eudora, Cusco, What Did You Call Me, The Last Cannon, Mother Gothel, Mouse Armor, Bounce, Merlin, Minnie Mouse, Jafar.
Okay, not bad for the first pack.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and move that off to the side. Next up, so this is pack number 2. All right, let's see what we're working with here. All right, so we've got Improvise, Cruella de Vil, Piglet, Winnie the Pooh, Minnie Mouse, Benja.
2 lore.
Hey. Yeah, that is nice. Dopey. Launch. The Queen of Hearts. Sisu.
Legendary.
All right, that's not bad, right?
Yeah.
Merlin. The Crab. Interesting.
Starting off with a legendary.
It's not bad.
Keep it going. Keep the momentum.
All right, here we go. So pack number 3. Man, I'm not very good at opening these. We'll get better. All right. Hypnotize. The Knock. Snow White. Elsa. Lady Tremaine. Let the Storm Rage On. Raya. Eli LaBeouf. Donald Duck. Flynn Rider. His own biggest fan.
That's 4 lore.
Yeah, Pinocchio. Go the Distance.
Starting off with some good cards.
All right. So this is number 4.
I can feel an Enchanted. I can smell it.
We're flying through these, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Verana. Jasmine. Mulan. Chip the Teacup. Mulan again. Cinderella. The Sardine Can. Rapunzel. Madame Mim. The Grand Duke. Namari. Mulan.
That looks like a full art.
Yeah, what does that mean?
It's worth more.
Oh, cool. All right, let's check that out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is pack 5. So we've got Arthur, pretty solid. Basil, Rapunzel, Dr. Facilier, Fidget, Hercules, the most diabolical scheme. Jafar again, Belle, Hiram Flaversham. I see that one in a lot of the decks. Shere Khan, and Hollow Bell. Very cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Pack number 6.
All right. All right, we wanted like a beast, right?
Yeah.
Panic. James. The Queen. Croquet Mallet. That was a funny scene in that movie. Peter Pan's Dagger. Prince Naveen. The Fairy Godmother. Zero to Hero. That was a good song. Nick Wilde. Wait Set. The Cheshire Cat. Hercules. Oh, I didn't take that one off, huh? All right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, Raya.
Enchanted.
Hey, pretty cool, huh? Okay, another Flynn Rider. Confident Vagabond. Basil. Grumpy. Merlin Squirrel. Felicia, always hungry. Tiana. You Can Fly. Pick a Fight. Daisy Duck. Cinderella.
See it?
Snow White.
Legendary.
That's good, right?
That's a pretty good card.
Okay, sweet. Radigan. It's kind of a cool card.
That also looks like a full art.
Yeah. Am I not taking these off the back? I thought I was. All right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is pack number 8. Oh man, I'm on the back end. Back end of my 12, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm not gonna forget to take that off this time. So we got the Queen of Hearts, Duke Whistleton. Happy. I'm Stuck. Tigger. Here we go. That was a cool one. Tigger was always my favorite. Donald Duck. Big fan. Wow, 6'5". That seems like not bad.
It's a pretty good card.
Cogsworth. Gaston. Pinocchio. A lot going on there for an uncommon, it feels like.
Yeah.
Pete. Okay. Mrs. Judson. The Gumbo Pot. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, I'm not so good at math. So this is pack number 9. Here we go. And I feel like I'm getting better at the opening, but I'm also not paying attention to the camera. So sorry guys if some of these have been not so great. So we've got Panic, Nothing to Hide, Grumpy, I'm Stuck, Go the Distance, Charge, Cogsworth, Doc, Madam Mim, World's Greatest Criminal Mind, Cogsworth, Chip the Teacup. Okay. So this is pack 10. Oh man. I guess we're saving all the good ones for Ethan. But Snow White was good though, right?
Yeah.
All right. So Donald Duck. Owl. Hold Still. Fairy Godmother. What Did You Call Me? Charge. Queen of Hearts. The Prince. Pain. Perplexing Signposts. Lumiere. That's a pretty crazy card. 7/7.
That's really good.
Fairy Godmother. All right, how many piles do I have? 10 piles. All right. 11. take back getting better at opening them. Oh, this is embarrassing. There we go. Little ingenuity. All right. Gaston again. Rabbit. Sneezy. Jiminy Cricket. There you are, pal. Boone. Magic Broom. Binding Contract. Caterpillar. Whoa. Last Stand. Strength of a Raging Fire. That's a good card, I know. Little John. The Queen. Alright, was that 11?
I think.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Last pack.
Alright, last pack.
Last pack magic.
Man, it's so sad. It happened so fast. Alright. Verana, Cruella de Vil, Sleepy, Merlin, the Crab, Go the Distance. We got a lot of those, I feel like. Jafar, Minnie Mouse, Lawrence. Ooh, Bucky, the card that's going away. They're changing this card. Merlin the Rabbit. Mulan. The Huntsman. All right, so it's okay. I wanted something a little cooler, but we'll go ahead and switch chairs now. Ethan's gonna take over. Let's do this, E.
I'm really bad at opening packs.
No, you're not. Power of positivity.
I can't.
You want to try and open it? Try it. Let's see what happens. Try and keep it on the screen if you can. Here you go. Take this one. Oh, you got it? Nope, you got it. Keep going.
Let's see it.
Remember, just try and keep it in the camera once you get them out. All right, what are we working with? Bring them down. Yep. So read them off. Gumbo Pot. The Queen. Do you want me to scoot your chair up for you? Chip the Teacup. Baloo. Let the Storm Rage On. Bashful. Sorry, I couldn't see with your hand.
Cruella de Vil.
Oh man, that one looked way cooler than an uncommon.
Yasma.
Yeah.
Beast. Super rare.
Whoa.
Super rare Yasma.
Holy cow. I think Selfless Protector is the one they said we wanted to get.
0 to hero.
Man, see, look at that. Your first one. You're already like crushing mine.
2 super rares in that pack. Pretty good. Let's see if we can keep the momentum up.
These are all open for you. Open them in front of there, right?
So, the Queen of Hearts, don't let me down. Looking pretty good.
Feeling it?
Yeah.
Alright.
This is an invasive card. If you don't know, if you don't play Lorcana, invasive, in me and my dad's opinion, are one of the most overpowered cards in the game.
Well, it definitely seems like it's harder to beat them, doesn't it?
Yeah. Basal. Snow White. Lost in the Forest. Winnie the Pooh.
That looks like a very powerful Winnie the Pooh.
I know.
Felicia?
Felicia.
Yeah, we saw that one.
Magic Broom. And
Alright.
Queen of Hearts uncommon. Li Shang,
Gonna make a man out of you.
Donald Duck,
Nice.
Winnie the Pooh having think. The Sorcerer's Spellbook.
Nick Wilde, my favorite fox.
All right. Flynn Rider. The Jasmine.
Nice.
Happy.
Jiminy
Cricket. Mulan. Prince Navin.
Naveen.
Mother Gotha. The Prince. Daisy Duck.
Goofy.
Knights
Holy
for
cow, look at that guy.
4 lore.
10,
He's 10. That is going to be hard to bring out, but that looks overpowered. Scar. Legendary.
Nice.
Watch this, Enchanted.
Oh, that would have been cool.
So, a legendary Scar and rare Goofy. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Yeah, dude, you're already crushing my pack.
See, can we get the Enchanted? I am feeling it today.
Yeah.
Enchantress.
Enchantress, yeah.
Popsicle. Painting the roses red. Merlin the crab. Babaloo.
Baloo.
Magic broom.
Can tell you haven't seen some of these movies. Gotta fix that.
Nick Wilde. Pinocchio. Nana.
Nice. Lucifer. The
Queen. Ready?
Winnie the Pooh.
Rare Winnie the Pooh. Got a super rare to that.
What's a super rare? The Queen?
Yeah.
Got it. Alright, man. You got this.
Rare.
Nice.
3 lore. Popsicle. Painting the
It's like the exact same
rose.
pack.
It is. Dr. Facilier.
Minnie Mouse.
Hercules. Sword in the Stone. Pacha. Tina.
Tiana. Oh, Huntsman again.
Oh.
Radigan's Marvelous Trip.
Whoa!
So that's what is it called?
Enchanted.
Bro, get some. Alright, let's move that bad guy out of the way.
First Enchanted ever, if you didn't know. So
Mari.
according to a lot of people, the chances of getting an Enchanted is a 1. It's a 1 out of 3 booster boxes. So to get that out of our first one.
That's an unofficial stat, right? That's what we read online.
Unofficial.
But that's pretty slick, dude.
First Enchanted. Let's go. We're new to this YouTube thing and pack opening. So, sorry I'm doing this very badly of opening the packs.
You're crushing it, bro.
Alright, see, can we get another one? Probably not, but let's get a legendary. Gaston.
Do it.
Gumbo Pop. Sleepy. Legend of the Sword in the Sun. Raya. Headstrong. This is one of my favorite movies. Didn't know if you knew that.
Nice.
Beast.
Whoa, that's a cool card.
Card Soldiers. The full deck. That's very interesting.
Yeah.
Mouse Armor. Bell. Uncommon. Dinner Bell. Rare. Chief Bongo. That just looks cool. Common Jafar. That is a pretty cool artwork.
Yeah, look at that. Very magical. All right.
Feeling it. Okay. Arthur. Al. Sneezy. Fairy Godmother. Yeah.
Tremaine.
Last Cannon.
Hey.
Rapunzel. Fang Crossbow. Prince Charming. Super Rare. King Loey. Jungle VIP.
Nice.
Common. The Knock. Okay.
There we go.
Getting some super rares here. Let's keep it up.
Let's do it.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, that's 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, you don't need to worry about counting them. They're all yours now. I was just counting them so I didn't open your packs.
You can open the last one.
No, you got this.
Already got Enchanted. I don't care anymore. Hypnotize. Rabbit.
Piglet. I don't think we have Merlin the
Merlin
Squirrel
the
yet.
Squirrel. Very interesting. Boone. Tiana. The most despicable scene.
Diabolical.
Pick a fight. Ring the bell.
Prince John.
Prince, I have no clue who that is.
It's from Robin Hood. Madam Mim. Improvise.
Didn't know that was a lost card.
Nice.
Keep the pack luck.
All right, you're on your final 4.
Final 4 magic. Donald Duck. Basso.
Basil.
Hold still.
Elsa.
Tigger. Donald Duck. Launch. Fairy Godmother. Zero to Hero. Sleepy Float. Super Rare, Lady Tremaine.
Whoa.
And
I
Enchanted.
like that
Oh, come on. I should have done that with that pack.
Yeah, that Lady Tremaine card I think people play a lot.
Feeling good. Feeling good, guys. Queen of Hearts. James. It's Opa.
Eudora. Croquet. Mallet.
Fidget. Jafar. Merlin the Goat. Gaston. Sarincan. Tuk Tuk. Arthur Super Rare.
Whoa.
And Rakan
Radicans.
Marvelous Trap.
Yep.
Whew.
All right, we're running out of space here, huh?
Yes, we are. Impossible.
Ooh.
The Knock. Rapunzel. And Kazoo. Oh, Kaz, I didn't know that that was him.
Cusco.
I thought that that was a face down there.
No, that's him when he's a llama.
Peter Pan's Dagger. Benja. Queen of Hearts.
That's a cool one.
Uncommon. Robin Hood, the Capable Fighter. Cheshire Cat.
Cheshire Cat.
Gaston. Rare. Teeth and Ambitions. Chief
Good
Benja again. Whew, let's keep it going. Last pack.
Okay.
Last pack magic.
Did it, dude.
No matter what happens, we can say that this was a good booster box because we got the Enchanted.
Yeah.
Because it's not a guarantee that you get an Enchanted out of a booster box.
Right. You think you get 2?
Duke Weston. Mulan. Legend of the Sword in the Stone. Raya. Cinderella. Blue Fairy. Snow White. 4 dozen eggs. Super Rare the Queen. Legendary Nomori. What can we finish it on? Super Rare Nomori.
Dude, so
That's pretty good.
we got Namari, and Namari. This was the Namari box.
First booster box. I'm proud of that.
All right. Well, thank you all for watching, and we hope we can bring you some more and all kinds of other content. We're still figuring this thing out, but have a great afternoon. See ya.